Hello guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to my channel and another of my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you a makeup haul. So it's like more like a try on style. So I bought like a few things from Lancome and I received a few things from BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription box and they give you 5 full-size makeup products for only $20 a month, or if you subscribe for 3 months then it's $19 per month. So I think it's really nice, and I'm gonna try on everything that I got. I hope that you really like this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking on the button down below and activate the notifications button so you don't miss any of my videos. Hope that you really like it, and so let's get into the video. So there are a few things that I bought recently, and if you've been following me on my Instagram, you saw the post, the Insta story. I showed you guys a lot of things from Lancome, from Pure, basically things that I got from BoxyCharm. It's a makeup subscription box, and I've been subscribed to that for a couple of months already, probably like 3 or 4. And then also, like, I think I got a really good deal from Lancome, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, and this is gonna be like a makeup haul with a try on style. So I have here like the whole makeup box, and this one I got it from Lancome for $65, and it included like everything that you see in here, and also like makeup remover. This one's over here, and then I also got like one eyeshadow palette and then one blush palette. So I'm gonna start out by trying these Lancome Youth Activating Concentrate, and this is like a little gel. I feel like it's like a primer or something like that. So I'm gonna be applying that all over my face to primer it, and it feels so refreshing. Now, I didn't buy any foundation, so that's not gonna be a new thing to try on. So I'm gonna be using an old foundation that I have from Sea Lauder, I think it is, like sample at Ulta, and it's this little bottle right here. It was supposed to last for like a week, but it's been like 2 weeks since I have it, and this is on the shade Ivy. But before that, I'm gonna apply these like, it says it's a lifting and firming cream for all skin types from Lancome as well. So I'm going to be applying that all over my face, and I've already tried this one before. I had it a while ago and it feels really nice. It's so moisturizing. I love applying like face creams to my face, even though my face is very oily. If I don't hydrate it, it becomes even more oily. Then I think I'm going to be trying these eye gel packs. It comes with a box of 3, and these are from the brand South Main. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. It's different to the ones that I've tried. I tried ones from Wonder Beauty, and they come like in a closed package, but these ones are like lifted. And then the ones that I tried were like paper kind of thing. They said that they were like gold. And these are like more like gel. So I'm supposed to leave this for 30 minutes, so it's good that I do my makeup while I'm wearing this. So I'm gonna start out by applying primer. I'm using this Urban Decay primer right here. And I don't know what look I'm gonna try to go for. I'm just gonna play around with the eyeshadows. So since the Lancome palette has like this soft pink eyeshadow, I'm gonna try to use that for my transition shade. I feel like it has color because I've used other eyeshadows with this brush without washing it, so it looks pink, but because of the other eyeshadow it looks like white on the camera, but I swear it's like a light, very light pink. So I'm gonna try to apply that all over my eyelid, kind of like instead of like concealer, I'm gonna apply that just for like a base, so I can then apply any eyeshadow that I want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a shadow right here. It's called Sneak Peek. So I'm gonna apply that with an angled brush. I hope you can see it right here. And these brushes that I'm using are from BH Cosmetics. I'm very surprised by these eyeshadows. I thought they were gonna be like very cheap and without pigmentation, but it does have a lot of pigmentation. And I'm trying to like bring it up so that it looks so the eye looks like more opened. I'm gonna take my blending brush and try to blend all of that. So I think I want to try something a bit crazy or different. So So I'm gonna go and try these blue eyeshadow from the Pure palette. This is in the shade Showtime. So I'm using this flat brush from Beach Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid. So previous videos I've said that I don't usually use like very colorful shadows, but now I'm gonna try out this blue shadow and see how it looks like, and see if it has like a really good formula or pigmentation. But it does have a lot of color, like you can see right here. Now I'm gonna take my blending brush without adding any color, and I'm gonna try to combine brown shade with the blue one. And I think I'm gonna try to add a bit more brown to this outer corner of the eye and bring it a little bit towards the blue. So I want to darken it a little bit. And is it me, or like this eye gel packs like keep like sliding through my face? Kinda is like a thumbs down for this eye gel packs, because I'm pretty sure I put them like real close to my eyes and they keep sliding off. So I think I'm just gonna remove them. They did help a little bit with the fallout, because the fallout sticks to these eye gel packs instead of my face. My camera died, but I took all that time to remove all the fallout of that blue eyeshadow, so it does have a lot of fallout, but I think the formula and the pigmentation is really nice. Finish this look by applying a little bit of this gold shade right here. It does look a bit pink on the camera, but it's gold, and it's from the Lancome palette, the Starlight Sparkle Eyeshadow Palette Glow. I'm gonna take a bit with my finger and put it on the inner corner of my eye. Just like this, and now we're gonna move on onto the full face makeup. So I'm not gonna be explaining everything of what I do on my face, because this is my old routine. But if you want a more in-depth video, then let me know in the comments down below and I could do that. Now that I'm done with my foundation, now we can move on and try out this translucent powder from Lancome. It even has like this little cute spongy. I actually apply it with my beauty blender. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on my nose, because I know that gets very oily. So since most of the eyeshadows that I used were from the Pure palette, now for blush, instead of using the ones from the Pure palette, I'm gonna try the ones from Lancome. I'm gonna go for this blush and then use this as a highlighter or like bronzer. I'm gonna be using this brush from Luxie. And then this other brush, I'm gonna use it for the highlighter. Wow, this is gorgeous. You can actually see all the difference. And I also have like this million mascaras from Lancome. I got these two minis, and the white ones are primers and these ones are the actual mascara, but I have eyelash extensions, so I can't use this. So if you'd like me to give you these as a giveaway, let me know by liking this video and I can prepare a giveaway for you guys. Now I also have these eyeliner for Lancome, and I'm just gonna apply that for my waterline, like here under my eye, just to make that eye a little bit bigger. Wow, I really like this eyeliner. Eyeliners, when they are in pencil, they're like very dry, but this one, you can really tell the difference. I'm gonna try to like have a close-up for my eyes and you guys can see like the difference. For lipsticks, I also have like a bunch of Lancome, so I'm gonna do swatches of these 3 lipsticks, and then instead of using these ones from a Smashbox, I'm just gonna do the swatches so you guys can see all the shades. Since I already have like a very intense eyeshadow, I'm gonna go for one of this. So this one is on the shade Natural Beauty Cream, and it looks something like this. And then the next one is on the shade Red Stiletto. This very last one, it's on the shade Ooh La La. So it's like a pink with a little bit of shimmery. Now I want to do all the swatches for these metallic lipsticks from Smashbox. And this first one that I'm going to show you is called Misconduct. So it's like a very dark, like wine lipstick. Then this next one is called Maneuver. This was my favorite of all. Then following that is this nude color called Stepping Out. Then this is the shimmery pink, like kind of nude, and it's called Exoblata, and this is from the collection of Glitter from Smashbox. This other one is called Babe Alert. This is a brighter pink but still a matte. It doesn't have any shimmery. And this is my second favorite. It's called Rust Fond. So for this look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one on the shade Natural Beauty. So it's the first one that I showed you on those swatches. And this is a nude color, so it's not like very crazy. So I think it's very nice for this makeup look. So this is what it looks with lipstick. Like you can see, it's not that bright, but that's because I have all the tension on the eyes, so it kind of like balances. But now my review on everything that I use. The eyeshadows for Lancome and Pure, they're very nice. They do have a little bit of fallout, but I think they have a really great pigmentation. And then for the highlighter and blush for Lancome, like the highlighter, it's amazing. Like you can see here, that highlight, it's on point. And the serum and the creams from Lancome, I would totally approve them. I've used the facial cream before, so it's really nice. And then all the lipsticks, I really like them a lot. So yeah, and the translucent powder for Lancome is also really nice. I've used other translucent powders like from Makeup Forever and Maybelline, and they're pretty nice, but this one, it's also like feels really good. And I hope that you like it. So if you do so, don't forget that you can give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like me to do a giveaway for you guys, because I feel like it's been so long since I did one, let me know by liking this video, and I'll see you on the next one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.